In this video, we will learn how to show reports, filter pages of pivot table in Excel sheet. So let's start. First, I'm using here the pivot table of this data. Just select the full data. Then click on the Insert tab. Here you can use the recommended pivot table or pivot table. I just use the recommended pivot table. Just click on that. I'm using the one pivot table. This is a second one. And select it. Here you can see the preview of pivot table and click on OK. After using that, I add here filter about the name. So I don't want to add the name filter. I want to use the filter of items. Okay. Here you can see the okay all product name, all items names also here available. Okay. Here you can filter. If I filter the text and click on OK, here you can see the text. The text central sales amount is 875 and west sales amount is 825. If I using the three item and I want every item with the different page. First select the three item, click on OK. You can see here the multiple items you selected. Now we want a different page, different sheet. We want to show the reports of every items. Those are selected items. So I just select the any cell here. After that you can see here pivot table analysis. Then click in the pivot table. Here you can see the option. Just click on the arrow. Click on the show reports filter pages. Just click on it and click on OK. That's it. Here you can see the sheet is added here. Text, pen and filter. Okay. See all sheet have those reports available. Okay. Filter wise. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel.